I'm going to show you how to replace the props on your J100. So there's two ways to replace the props. You can either replace this entire setup here with both adapters like this and both of the prop gaskets and both props all at the same time by removing these 4 screws with a 4mm Allen hex bit. You'll want to make sure you use blue Loctite on those. But the more common way you're going to replace these propellers is just by replacing the propellers themselves. So here it's going to take a 5mm Allen hex bit. You'll go ahead and loosen these up. They do have a lock washer on them, so make sure you do not misplace the lock washer on the screws themselves. This top one will pop off like that. This is a good time for you to check your prop gaskets and make sure there's no wear on your prop gaskets. These look good. These props will slide off, just like so. And this is also where you'll check the lower prop gaskets. There's one prop gasket that goes below the propellers and another set of prop gasket that goes on top of the propellers. So there, we'll put our new props on. Replace the top prop gaskets. Set this back on. Now this is where it's important. You're going to want to use blue Loctite on these prop screws. Get them started. Then you're going to tighten them down. Now if you're using an electric impact or anything like that, you're going to want to make sure you're extremely careful to not over tighten these. If you over tighten these, you won't be able to move your props. So I would say do this part by hand. Slowly tighten both of them down until you start to push down and put pressure on the lock washer itself. Once it stops spinning, that's where you're going to want to start moving your props. So here they're too loose, they move around too easily. Make sure you both tighten them down evenly. See, so now this one's too tight and this one's still too loose. I'm going to back this one off just slightly. I'm going to tighten this one up. Now this one's good. This one just needs to be tightened up a little bit more. You want to be able to move it relatively easily, but you want them to still be under a good amount of pressure. So this one still moves pretty easily. But it's still hard to move them without moving the whole motor. That's how to replace your props on the J100.